today it's part 3. Yeah. Instead of Andy and Zinby or Zinba, whatever, Zin playing trainer, it's me. So it's part 3. It's part 3 now. Part 3. No sword fight. It's Andy. It's Andy.
Next time round, okay?
Yeah. I fight the sword fight. This is part 3. I'm not Nana.
Any shoes left behind will go in the car boot sale on Sunday. Yeah. All right.
Wait, you need to do that sword fight. No, but I put a trailer on YouTube. A trailer. It's me. Okay, today it's me. Sword fighting, okay? Today it's part 3. Stop it, you guys. You're mad. Okay?
You're you've got 1 million subscribers.
Again. It's sword battle to hit people's butts. I'm gonna hit people's butt with this sword. I've unlocked my true potential. Yeah, I see that. I just digged it. See that?
What's wrong with you? You've only got 2 subscribers.
See? Here. Yeah.
Go outside.
You couldn't do it. Ha! Kring, kring. No, sorry. Mother, sorry. Boom, boom. No, you haven't, liar. Ashton, I will tell you. Oh, you didn't know.
Guys, you know you can fall off the wall if you step.
Whatever. Throw it out the window. Take out the trash. Throw it out. Looks like she caught the sword. Oops, the battery went out. Okay, bye. That was just, remember the trailer. And now, that was part 3. Bye. And this is the end of the ride. It's finished the ride. Woohoo! Let's celebrate. Shut up. Oh, I'm not looking. It makes me dizzy. It makes me dizzy. It makes me dizzy. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. No, if you go to the air, it makes you dizzy. Hold on. It makes you gonna fall. Wait. Okay. No, okay. Yeah, that gets me dizzy. It's scary. Okay, that was the end. It was really fun, isn't it? That was just out there. That was so scary. Oh. Oh, here comes the dummy. Woohoo, let's celebrate. It's the end. We're in Ireland. We're in Ireland. We're in Ireland. Yeah. Bye.
Alright.
Don't forget to subscribe. Please. I only have 0 subscribers. Just please subscribe it.